Introducing new Real Steel Rand.
Wow, Real Steel Rand?
Now, with never-before-seen turbo chop action. Connects exclusively to your D-wall drill or impact driver from maximum torso torque. Watch as Real Steel Rand rips, slices, shreds, and dices everything in his path. Real Steel Rand, destroy all other toys! Literally.
Sold exclusively through Fowler'sMakeryMischief.com. JFM Toys is not responsible for any physical, emotional, or spiritual harm caused by Real Steel Rand.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. This was a really fun experience and a little bit of a dangerous one. If you want to see the rest of the series from building the Heron marked blade for an action figure, is episode 1. Episode 2 is making the crazy turbo shop action figure. That one was it's a little crazy, a little dangerous, but we had a lot of fun. I still have all my fingers, I promise. And if you want to see the third one, which is actually the building of this commercial, go check it out. All of that is in a playlist linked in the description below. I had a lot of fun. The whole idea kind of came around with once the action figure was done, I was like, I really want to make a commercial for this. I love those crazy, wild action figure commercials from back in the day. And I asked my brother, Zach, from Fowler's Maker and Mischief, I was like, hey, can I come up here and use a bunch of your camera equipment? And he's like, yeah, but let's not make it cheesy. Let's make it really, really good. So we had a lot of fun designing the whole commercial. He is actually up there right now, and we're going to release a second version of it, I believe. It's going to be the 2021 edit. So as opposed to like 80s, 90s, it's like more of a modern day one with a lot of like really insane stuff in it. So definitely check that out when it comes out. But if you guys like this kind of obscure meme reference, weird movie kind of memorabilia and all this all kind of odd projects, definitely stay tuned, subscribe. We've got all kinds of stuff coming down the pipe probably pretty soon. I'm actually working on the Witcher Season 2 armor. This is going to be Geralt's chest piece that Henry Cavill wears. And like most of my projects, I'm not doing it out of foam or anything. This is real heavy-duty cowhide leather. I try to make everything as real as possible, like they would have worn back in the day. So if you liked it, check it out. It's a lot of fun. Stay tuned, and we're gonna make some pretty cool stuff coming down the pipe, guys. So anyways, thanks for watching. Covered in mammoth tusk. This is the third time this thing has tried to kill me.